Hello there! So, usa sa rason nganong dili para sa imo ang pagiging ALT or the ALT role. If you're a teacher in the Philippines, if you are currently working in DepEd or in a private school, or you're an ESL teacher or a tutor, so huna-huna sa ninyo before you apply as an ALT. So, kani nga rason, although naatay gitawag nga every situation is different, but most of us same og experience aning aspect. Okay, so sa Philippines, we are used, right? We were used to doing the activities from preparing the materials, preparing the lesson plans, detailed lesson plans, daily learning logs, presentations, the games, materials, etc. So, kita mag-prepare tanan-tanan. But here, naana may mga materials, naanay books sila, digital books na ginagamit sa mga students. Madto sila magsuwat, magtanaw sa ilahang lesson, mag-listen and watch. Mga yung anak nga mga butang listen and think. Naana dito tanan-tanan. So, dili na ka, no need na to prepare anything. But, of course, ang ginabuhat sa ALT, as for me, based on my experience, last year o karon na year is, last year, nag-prepare ko og games for the elementary students and some grade level sa junior high school, because there were some GTEs of mine na gusto sila na game time so that students would perceive na, oh, English time is fun time. So, mana siya. So, nagaduwa mi. And naay some teachers na focus na dyan sila sa lesson nila and sa targets nila o when na dapat matiman na book ba. Kana. But anyway, karon pod, ang akong ginabuhat is nag-assist ko sa akong JTE, nag-prepare sa worksheets, vocabulary, writing worksheets, vocabulary worksheets, etc. And then game time, tagsa na lang may mag-game time. Sa game time, ako mag-prepare but ang mag-execute is ako ang JTE. So more like assistra. So, mo na siya. Usa na siya sa mga imong dapat i-expect if you plan to work as an ALT here in Japan. Like, wala ka kaayoy time to do the lesson, but you're just there in every meeting, in every sessions to, example, sa small talk, for the small talk, sa listening comprehension sa bata, and then learning some vocabulary words. So, mo repeat sila after you, something yun ana. So, ikaw magbasa sa mga text, ikaw mo kuan kung saan pag-pronounce ang words, and then ang mga bata, sundugon ka, kapihon ka, nga na ba? And then, muna siya. Usa dyan na siya sa mga, honestly, maka-discourage to work as an ALT. Especially if you were a public school teacher, naka sa DepEd, or a private school teacher, or bisan sa ESL, di ba? Kay ikaw man pud mismo ang nagtudlo sa bata, unsaon nimo pagkuan, di ba? Hands-on ka ba? Ingon ana. But dire, nope. You're just assisting the JTE. Or, naay uban na JTE pod na ikaw ang gustong patudloon sa klase. Well, it depends. So, that's why every situation is different. So, mo na siya. Sa mga nag-consider to become an ALT here in Japan, please think twice. If you don't want to just be an assistant, maybe try to apply directly sa mga schools, university, international schools where you are the T1, teacher 1, or ikaw ang nagabuhat sa lessons. But if you're you're up to it, like just assisting the Japanese teacher of English, assisting the homeroom teacher, and doing some paperwork, checking some papers, reading some words, English words, doing the small talk, then go. Why not, diba? Okay, go na siya. Grab the opportunity. Char. Yeah, so mo na siya. Ang usa jud sa reason. But anyway, if you're really up to it, if you're open to that type of work, then you should try. I'm telling you, you should try. Because if you're up to it, then this is for you, right? Now, anyway, if you have questions about my experience being an ALT, how to become an ALT, I actually answered that one. You can check my previous posts about it and so on. But if you have like any questions, I'll be glad to answer those. All right, goodbye, see you.